Online classes don't have a great reputation right now. There's, a lot of talking heads. There's a lot of assignments. There's a lot of quizzes and going to testing centers. And the case simulations replace all of that.
This class has really set the bar high for future online courses. I think that about sums it up.
Case simulations work really well, especially for our online classes. We've used other simulations, both on the ground and online, but specifically for our online classes, these simulations, this set of simulations do really, really well. Students like them, they can grasp how to use them, and they succeed within both the confines of online education as well as within doing them in a week. So we like them very well, and we use them largely in our online classes.
Well, the first course was actually a 5-week online course this past summer of 2018 in what's called our Accelerated Summer College. So this was a challenge for me because though I've taught online before, it was a more compressed time frame, and I've never run simulations in a purely online environment where I didn't have a chance to introduce them directly to the students. Worked out very well. The students really liked it. From a technological point of view, it worked. I didn't, get any emergency emails of students being locked out or whatnot, and the evaluations after the summer course were very positive.